Did you know that you could be making $7 every minute? Yes, exactly what I said. $7 every minute for simply uploading files onto a website. Well, if you didn't know that, that's great. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make $7 every minute of the day. All you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part of the video because I'm going to show you every single step that you need to actually take in order to make this money. And I don't want you to miss an important step so that you actually don't make the money. So it's important that you watch the video all the way to the end so you understand how you can actually make this money. This is absolutely free. You don't have to sign up by paying anything, and it's available worldwide, which means that if you're in Africa, you can actually do this. If you're in Australia or in Europe or in Asia or in South America or in America, you can do this. This is available worldwide. So before I show you how you're going to go about this, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Right now, just click that subscribe button, that red button over there. Just click the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Turn on all post notifications so that every time I upload a new video, you will be able to watch it immediately. So, the website I'm going to be showing you today is called File Upload. It's fileupload.com. As you can see, we are here. This is the main page. File Upload is basically a platform where you can upload files and actually get paid for every time somebody downloads your files. If I scroll down over here, there are 3 categories. Now, if somebody in the United States of America or the United Kingdom or Canada, if they download your file, you're gonna get $7 each time your file is downloaded, which means that if 10 people download your file, you're gonna get $70. If 100 people download your file, you're gonna get $700. Now, if people in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates download your file, each time they download your file, you will get $3. And any other country in the world, if somebody else downloads your file, you're also going to get $3. So it's a great way to make money because you can do this at home, in the car, in the toilet, whilst walking. You can actually do this anywhere. Just before you go to sleep, you can actually do this and make money. If we scroll down over here, there are payments. The payment methods that they accept is Bitcoin, Visa, Litecoin, PayPal, Perfect Money, Web Money. So they deal with these kind of payments, so you can choose which payment that you actually want to receive your money with, and they pay on time. It's a 24-hour payment, so you can cash out immediately and they will pay you within 24 hours. So what you want to see over here, if you scroll up here, there's proof of payments, and I'm going to show you that people are actually making the money. Over here, this is today's date. Currently, somebody's making $9 because people have downloaded these files. $18, $25, $9, $9, $1, $39, $15, and so on and so forth. $84, $23, and so on. So you might ask yourself, so what kind of files are we going to upload? You can literally upload any kind of file, but I'm going to show you this website over here. This website is called Open Culture. Open Culture is the best free cultural and educational media on the web. It's filled with free resources. They are absolutely free. There are no copyright issues. You can download these files for your own use and you can do whatever you want with them. So there are online courses, audiobooks, movies, podcasts, K-12 grade ebooks, and so on. So for example, if we go onto audiobooks, it's going to provide us with a list of all kinds of audiobooks. So from stories to educational stories to educational topics to all kinds of things. For example, There's fictional and literature. Here are the ebooks, and it's in alphabetical order. If you scroll down, as we can see over here, The Lost Princess of Oz, The Tin Woodman of Oz, Shakespeare's Memory. So yeah, there's even Shakespeare over here, The Magic of Oz, The Wizard of Oz, and so many different kind of audiobooks. So all these audiobooks, you can download them for free. So what you want to do is you want to click on any audiobook of your choice and you want to download it. So once you've downloaded the audiobook, you want to come over here and you first want to create an account on the file upload website. So you need to sign up. You will click sign up over here, and the sign up is absolutely free and it's simple. Just put in your username, your email address, your password, and your payment information. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So then once you've gotten your account, you want to start uploading. You will just simply upload the file and you're gonna get paid depending on who actually downloads your file. So as I showed you, it really varies the kind of people that are going to download your file. And from what I've experienced, people actually download audiobooks because people like to sleep by listening to audiobooks. They just want to go to bed and put on their headphones and listen to audiobooks. So, and they are ready to buy these audiobooks, literally. But if there's an opportunity where they can actually just click and download the audiobook, they are getting it for free. But this website is actually paying you because somebody else downloaded it for free. That is the benefit of this whole website. So what you are uploading is actually free, and what the people will be downloading is your link, and that's actually free. But because they're using this website to actually download the file, this website is going to pay you because somebody in the region of maybe group B or group A or group C has actually downloaded your file. So it's really amazing. For example, if 3 people over here download your file, you're gonna get $9. If 30 people download, you can do the calculation. So there's a lot of money that can be made, and that's what I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked this video. Please give this video a like, comment any questions you have below. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click all post notifications so that you don't miss any video. And that's about it. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.